Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maria Loren Cyril D. de la Cruz. I am 30 years old. I live here in the province of Guimba, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I stand 152.3 centimeters and my weight is 61.2 kilograms. I am married and I have two kids, one boy who is 12 years old and one girl who is 5 years old. I studied Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education, here in World City Colleges, Guimba, Nueva Ecija. My work experience before was taking care of a 2-year-old baby boy. I used to sing him nursery rhymes like, I have two hands, the left and the right. Hold them up high, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see. It is also part of my duty to take care of his older brother who is 14 years old and their parents who is a married couple. I clean their house, do their laundry, iron their clothes. I go to the market and grocery store. I used to cook simple Filipino dishes such as stir-fried vegetable and fish, fried rice, and adobo. Here in our province, it is very common to have a pet. I have one dog and two cats. To my future employer, please consider me as your future employee, for I will promise you that I will take care of your family and I will do my best to help you lessen your worries at your home. Thank you very much and I hope to see you soon.